Good Friday morning, and thanks for logging on to tdsweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Indiana forecast for today. Out there this morning, you can see temperatures ranging from the middle 40s to the upper 50s, low 60s. Those low 60s is where we have cloud cover still in place here this morning. So more of eastern, southeastern portions of the state, as the rest of us has fallen into generally the middle 40s to mid 50s here across the area. So as we work on through today, we're going to see a lot of sunshine. Really won't be too terrible of a day out there. A little bit breezy, a little bit cool. But with the sunshine, it's still not going to be too terrible. So as we continue on into the morning hours here, this is 9 a.m. Notice we're dry as we head into 9 a.m., going into 10, 11 o'clock, into noon, 1 p.m. We will see a lot of sunshine out there through the daytime hours today across the area. Now, as we start to work on into 2, 3, 4 o'clock, clouds will increase across northern portions of the state towards 3 to 4 p.m. We'll start to see rain showers back out into northwestern Indiana, so Gary, Valparaiso, Michigan City, South Bend, perhaps even down towards Monticello at this point. And as we continue into 5 and 6 o'clock, you can see we'll start to see some rain showers, maybe as far south as Kokomo, back out towards Warsaw, back out into Fort Wayne, Kendallville, those areas, while central portions of the state will probably remain pretty dry here as we work on into the evening hours outside of a spotty shower. And you can see by 7, 8, 9 o'clock, there could be a few isolated showers down into central and southern portions of the state. And of course, as we work into the evening, as that frontal boundary swings on through that secondary cold front, we are going to see additional cloud coverage across central and southern Indiana, probably coming in, after 5 or closer to and after 5 to 6 p.m. We continue into 8, 9, 10, 11, or this is, on into 9, 10, 11 o'clock. You can see showery activity is moving on out of the central and southern portions of the state, but you are going to have some moisture that's going to start to pull in off of the lake here across northeastern portions of the state. So I think as we continue towards midnight, and especially after midnight, we'll see rain showers out across northeastern portions of Indiana, and there'll be lake effect rain showers as that moisture streams in off of Lake Michigan tonight. And as we head on into tomorrow morning, and that'll probably keep places into northeastern Indiana with cloud coverage as well, probably seeing clouds all the way down towards maybe as far south as like Richmond and areas like that into tomorrow. As you go on into 9, 10, 11 a.m. into noon tomorrow, you're seeing some of these isolated and scattered showers still up here into northeastern portions of the state. You're probably still seeing some cloud coverage down here, maybe as far, south as like the Muncie area, but definitely out towards like Portland, Winchester, back up towards Union City, Fort Wayne, Kendallville, Engle, those areas are expecting cloud coverage tomorrow. The rest of us seeing a lot of sunshine, and as we continue into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. tomorrow evening, you still see some of those showers out into northeastern portions of the state, and continuing tomorrow night on into Sunday morning, while the rest of us here will remain dry. We work on through the morning hours on Sunday into 9, 10, 11 a.m. into noon. We'll probably see an upper level wave passing across the region here on Sunday that will bring us the chance of some rain showers. The big question will be where that moves through, because it probably won't be the entirety of the state, but it'll just be a portion of the state. If we go on over as we work on into, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, still see lake effect rain showers to the north. Sunday night into Monday, here comes another wave. This is by like 1 to 2 a.m. Monday morning, so some showers possible there on into the morning hours on Monday, and then by Monday, mid to late morning, they're on out of here, and we're drier through much of the day. So, with this upper level low in place, we're going to continue to see waves of energy pivoting across the area, bringing us some shower chances here and there. With that being said, most of this is very light. You can see rainfall through tomorrow morning. Here across central southern Indiana, a tenth, maybe 1/1500ths of an inch at best, I would say. That'll probably be more spotty across northern portions of the state through tomorrow morning, up to 1/4 of an inch. But if we kind of bring this on through the end of the weekend into the start of next week, you can see some better chances up into northern Indiana of maybe seeing up to 1/2 to 6/10 of an inch, with the kind of the consistency of those light lake effect rain showers continuing to move through the next several days. Highs today will be generally into the low to mid 60s from I-70 north. South of I-70 you're in the upper 60s to low 70s. Winds will be from the west at 7 to 14 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour today. That secondary cold front moves on through, and by tomorrow morning you can see lows will be generally in the low to mid 40s across the area, and maybe even some outlying upper 30s. And then we head into the daytime hours tomorrow. You can see a cooler day of weather as that cold air continues to filter in. Low to mid 50s from I-70 north, from I-70 south, mid to upper 50s, maybe right around 60 degrees closer to the Ohio River. temperature. We have a look at the next 7 days. 68 today with a 20% chance of a PM shower, 10% chance of a shower tomorrow, cooler 57, 58 Sunday, 61 on Monday, 60 on Tuesday, 67 Wednesday, and back to 70 for Thursday with additional rainfall chances by the end of next week. That's all I have for you here this morning. Everybody, thanks for logging on.